All right, y'all, let's get this video on a roll. So today we're gonna pop off with this. This is by OneSpring. This is their under eye patches for puffy eyes and dark circles and wrinkles. Super collagen under eye patches. Let's go ahead and give it a go. Once you open the box, it comes like so. You do have 32 patches in there. You also have multiple colors and designs. Let's go ahead and go with this one right here. We even have instructions on the back. Ooh. Y'all, this is gonna be my first time using eye patches. Can you believe that? Where have I been? Under a rock? It's super slimy. Oh my gosh, look at that. Drenched in collagen, baby. Yes. Ooh, that feels good. Okay, baby. That feels good. Where's the other one, child? Wait a minute, I lost one. Oh my gosh. Oh, got collagen dripping down my face. All right, we got the second one. Let's do it. Hopefully I can get this one on better than I did that first one. Because, baby, I don't know what I was thinking. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing. And it smells good too. I look like a little panda. I absolutely love this. Oh my gosh. This is what I've been missing my whole life. So I can't wait because I do have like little crow's feet in the corner. I wouldn't really call them crow's feet. I consider them more to be like laugh lines because the girl laughs a lot. So yes, honey, I'm going to leave this on and then we're going to come back and see how it looks. All right, and we are back in my infamous kitchen. Yes, you didn't think I was going to sit there and wait 20 minutes. No, this is what it's looking like right now. It's a little bit drier on the outside now, but it's still damp, very moist. So I'm wondering if I should leave it a little longer, but the recommended time is 15 to 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and peel this off and see what it's looking like. Ooh, I think my under eye looks better. Ah, still got my laugh lines, but what can I expect? It's my first application, honey. Let's go ahead and get this one off. Ooh. I don't know. I kind of feel like it's more plump. Yeah, I'm looking at myself. So y'all tell me if y'all see a difference. What do y'all think? Ooh, I think it looks good. And they smell good. Like, it's not a lot of fragrance on here, but it just smells clean. Like, that's the only way I can describe it. It smells really clean. It smells good. I like this. All right, I hope this helps.